Millions of happy dog owners around the globe are using this unique innovation, the dog retractable leash, and I am one of them. The retractable dog leash can have benefits for the dog and the owner as well. It has a handle and the leash can be extended and will automatically retract according to the position of the dog. Using this ergonomic retractable dog leash, the dog can walk closer or further away from you so that he can sniff wherever he wants to, but will still be on the leash. You can control the length of the leash and stop your dog getting into trouble by pressing on the lock button when you see your dog is approaching a dangerous area or a potentially damaging material that he wants to ingest. You don't have to use force to control your dog. The leash can be operated gently. The handle is comfortable and the leash makes the walk more enjoyable. Good luck!